Sonia. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some air fryer taquitos or flautas or whatever you call them. They're going to be in corn tortillas, but you could modify this and put this in like one of those like carb-free wraps. The low-carb ones would work too, or just a tortilla, whatever you want, depending on what your goal is to make these. I'm trying to get healthier. These are delicious. I make them all the time. I just wanted to show you how to make them. I'm going to be making them in a corn tortilla. I grew up calling them flautas, but when I looked at Google and I even texted my sister, we both think that maybe majority of people call them taquitos, even though we grew up thinking they were flautas. So whatever you call them, I'm going to teach you how to make them today. I hope you give them a try. This is super easy, especially in your air fryers and using the air fryer. Obviously, we're not frying it in oil, and they turned out so good and so crispy. I can't believe how crispy they were. So you guys give them a try. Let me show you how. Remember, subscribe, follow, give me a big thumbs up so you can be here for all the fun and all the flavor. Okay, we're gonna start out a big pot of water, and I like to make a huge amount of chicken breast filling. Now you can make as little or as much as you like. Then I'm going to be adding in some chicken bouillon. I didn't measure this. I'm gonna just say you make some till it's kind of, salty flavor. You could also use the other kind that's kind of like the creamy chicken bouillon that I buy too. Whatever kind you want would be great. You're just gonna put it in, bring it to a boil, and let it cook until it starts falling apart. I think it probably took about, 30 minutes or so. I didn't time it. So you'll know when your chicken starts falling apart, just test it. Then you're gonna shred it. You could use your KitchenAid, or I'm old school. I hate to wash my KitchenAid, so I just shredded it by hand. This is my husband's portion. You know what? Everybody in my house has their own taste and decides what they want to do with his. He did salt, pepper, cumin, and paste, and he was like, I want it, combined on your cutting board. And I was like, okay, but I am more of a traditionalist, and I like just salt and pepper. But you know what I also like? I also like to add potatoes into my taquito. I didn't do it this day, but I have a friend's mom used to make them, and I loved them with potatoes, and that's what got me started on potatoes. A lot of Mexican dishes, believe it or not, were originally made to go further and feed a lot of people. So that's why they used to always add in potatoes. So I kept that broth that we boiled our chicken in. This is how we are going to make those corn tortillas pliable. It's so warm. You're just gonna dip it in, put some of your chicken, and then because it was so warm, it is going to make your corn tortilla moist, and you're gonna be able to roll it, okay? And then you're gonna spray it with a little bit of spray. I use avocado, you could use Pam, olive oil, whatever. I wanted to show you that one on purpose. It broke because I didn't leave it in long enough. It didn't get, enough of the moisture from the chicken stock, and then it'll break. So if you break it, that means you didn't leave it in long enough. Just throw that one away and go again, or, cut it up and use it for chips, okay? So then you're gonna just roll it, you're gonna spray it, and then you're gonna put it in your basket. You could also use this in your oven one. We've done it in both. I think a lot more of you have baskets, so I wanted to show you in my basket air fryer. I actually just got this one around the holidays. So you're just gonna load up your basket. I think I only made like 4 because then I started with another flavor for my husband. Everybody wanted to make their own. They wanted different stuffing in theirs. So this is just a basic chicken one. I just wanted to show you. And what you want to do is kind of lay it with the side down that is like the rolled up part so that it will stay together. You're going to put it on 400 degrees, and I would say about 4 minutes through, you're going to flip them over, and then you're just going to spray them again right there. I'm just going to give them a little spray on the other side. You can see they're starting to brown up. I just want to let you know, I did just to show you, I'm using like a avocado spray. Just give it a spray and then throw it back into your air fryer for about, 4 minutes or so. And then that's it. That's all you have to do. There's so many things that you can serve these with. We did it with a little queso. We did some salsa. I love it with avocado. Put a fat-free sour cream. That's what it looks like. You could do, you're not watching your calories, my gosh, go all in. Put in some crema, like a little drizzle on top, sour cream, lettuce, whatever you want. I was trying to be a little bit healthier, a little heart health, put a little bit of avocado because that's the way I like it. But you serve it how you want. I hope you guys give it a try. They're so good, and I'll see you soon.